Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. So glad you're here. Yay. So I want to apologize in advance for the lighting. It's a little bit crazy right now because it's raining in the summer in California. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, anyways, but for today's video I just wanted to film a super quick intro because I want to do something a little bit different other than doing my makeup. So I remember when I first started watching YouTube like a long time ago, there would always be videos about people building their own palette, and that was something that I always wanted to do because it was very therapeutic to watch. So that's what I'm going to do today, and the brand I'm going to be using to build my own palette is Colourpop. No, this video is not sponsored in any way. All of the products that were used in this video have been from my own wallet. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and always comment down below any questions that you have or any suggestions for any future videos. See you soon and enjoy. Okay y'all, so let's get started. The first shade I decided to put in the palette is like a nice eyebrow highlight shade, and it's called Comeback Kid. The next shade is a little bit more on the orangey side, so I don't know if I would necessarily use it for an eyebrow highlight, but it is called Ready or Yacht. This next shade is a really pretty burnt orange color, which is going to be super pretty for transitioning shades into my crease, and it is called Meteorite. The next shade that I have here is gorgeous, and I'm sorry in advance if I say that about a lot of these shades, but they are. And this shade is called Most. Super pretty. This next shade is super unique because it has little hues of blue in it. I love it. This one is called Solstice with the Mostest. A lot of assessed. So the last shade I have to complete this row is called Oh Ship. And then I went ahead and inserted some swatches for you all to see the color payoff. Keep in mind that these are one swipe swatches, so I don't know if these shades have their full potential. I know that the shimmers most definitely look like they are, but keep in mind for the matte shades, they may come off a little bit chalky, but that is not to take away from how beautiful they are because they are only one swipe. And it's better if they come off a little bit lighter in the beginning because that just shows how buildable that these shadows and shades can be. Wow, that one Oh Ship, they knew what to do with that matte shade. Yes. Oh Ship! Okay, so moving on to the next row, we have a really pretty transition gray brown, which is called Wake Up Call. And then this next shade is a much brighter and a lighter orange than Meteorite was, and the name of this shade is called Bratty. The third shade we have here is called Something, you know, a little something, and this shade definitely does. This fourth shade that we have here is more of a yellow gold, and it is called Two Birds. This next shade is a really beautiful espresso brown, and the name of it is called Cloud 9. This last shade that I'm going to use to complete this row is a more orangey gold color. The name of this shadow is called Crackle. I'm super obsessed with this row because it gives me super fall vibes, and I'm so ready to give y'all some amazing fall looks. So get ready and feel inspired by these swatches for the season coming up. Okay, so for the third row, we are going to start off with this pukey yellow color, which is a must in every palette, and it is called Koi. The second color that we have here is a bright yellow, and this is the shade Take Flight. This third shade that I have for you is a really cute pinky shade with some beautiful little hues of gold in it, and it is called Over It. This fourth shade, y'all are gonna be shooketh when you see the swatch for this. It's a gorgeous duochrome shade, and it is called Tea Garden. This next shade that I have is kind of similar to Tea Garden, but it's a little bit of a darker version of it, and the shade is called Sideline. To end this row, I decided to go for a more blue-green duochrome shade because it'll make for a perfect transition into the next row, and this shade is called Wishful Winking. The swatches for this row are really pretty because you can see a bunch of those really beautiful duochrome shades that I am absolutely obsessed with, and it gives me super mermaid vibes. I am in love. So for the last row, I decided to start off with a pukey brown color. This shade is called Paper Tiger. This next shade is a really pretty periwinkle blue color, and it is called Baseline. The third shade that I have for this row is a really beautiful teal color, and it is called Muscle Beach. The fourth shade that I have for this row is a green blue, and it is called Superzoom. My camera did not serve this color any justice, but it'll have to do. This shade is Antimatter. It's super gorgeous. Last but not least, to complete this palette, we have Quantum Sleep. Here are the swatches of that very last row, and these are the swatches that complete this custom palette. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all loved how this palette turned out and that you found it somewhat therapeutic to watch the palette come together. I had so much fun filming this video for you all, and I can't wait to create some looks out of this palette. Please leave a comment down below what kind of looks you want me to create with this palette, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.